Hey man, what are you doing?
Can't you see I'm trying to think about year 2025? See, just forget about it.
Guys, do you know that you can make 2D animation just like this with your smartphone? You heard me right, with your mobile devices only.
Welcome to another episode of how to create 2D animation with your smartphone. Before I proceed to show you all the steps, apps, and tips, I would like to inform you that this video is sectioned into 3 parts. Section 1, we will look at all the necessary things we need before moving on to the 3 major apps we will use in this tutorial. Section 2, we will talk about the 3 apps used to achieve this amazing animation on your mobile device. Note, you do not need to know how to draw because I will give you the guidelines on what to do and how to make your animation world meaningful and less stressful. To make any animation, either on phone or on PC, you need a reference. Since we are trying to create Rico animation, we need to gather some reference image or picture. The app we'll be making use of here for our reference is Pinterest. Here it is easy for you to download it on your respective store, either for iPhone or for Android users. So once you open up Pinterest, just type the reference you want. For here it is Rico, so just Rico animation, Rico character, or whatever you like. Okay, and from there you can have a reference, and then you can easily just download the image. All right, so after downloading the image and the video you would like to mimic, okay, it's not really compulsory is Rico animation video. You can have a live video of yourself, okay, that you actually want to turn into 2D. So with that and the reference image of the character you actually want to create as well, with those two you are good to go. One application none, two to go. Alright guys, so let's see the other ones. Let's proceed, shall we? At this point, if you haven't subscribed, please do, and also consider liking and commenting on this video. Thank you so much. Now going back to the second app, like I said, after adding the reference, after selecting the reference we need, we are to import it onto this second app, which I would let you know the name in a bit. All right, so here we turn the pictures into vectors, okay, and as what you can see. So let me quickly show you, and let me turn off this, okay, so that you can see how it's being done. And you notice it's not about drawing, okay, no drawing is not really done. We actually follow reference. So here is one of my thumbnail I used. All right, and I just picked the same character again, then started drawing out the head. As you can see the head right away. Started drawing out the head, then I move on to the what do you call it, move on to the body aspect, then started drawing the body. And not only that, we actually did some things whereby having different image pose. And not only that, for the second one, if you notice something at this stage, here we have the image that was used. So for this second character, closing his eyes and trying to meditate, so Then we created another one that looks like this. Okay, so picking that same reference, what we did was to create some folders. Okay, and when you look at this, I try to bring in some references to see, okay, for this character to think, okay, what did I need? Like you can see, the reference was downloaded and imported onto this application. And not only that, from the character, you see, if I should turn on this and turn off this, you will notice some things. Just trying to add some and turning it off. Okay, just in a minute, please. Okay, so if I should turn this off like this, you notice the character in this movement. Then with that, we're able to create different pose, and also the background that was used in that animation you watch. So like I said, at the end of this video, I would tell you this secret app that was used to create for easy animation. So moving on to the third app, which I've always been explaining in my series of videos. So after creating all what we have done so far and exporting out the vectors image, here I brought it into Flipaclip, and in Flipaclip we added some voiceovers. Okay, now the voiceovers was done in Flipaclip as well, and the other animation was done in Flipaclip as well. All right, so quickly let me show you how to add the voiceover that was used. So click on this plus sign, click on this plus sign here. Then some options will be asked, which one do you actually want to select. So what you do is select voice AI. Okay, and from here I have you have series of characters whereby you can those use their voice. Okay, so I make use of this voice of this character called Roberto. All right, was a voice, and one other character voice was used there. All right, and secondly, you can also add your own pre-recorded voice or record your voice directly. And once that is done, you can, as you can see, this is a voice record for one of the character. This is another one. You can see the name there. Okay, then down to the other character again. Okay guys, so once I'm done with this and I set it up properly, though I have a video that I explain how to make use of Flipaclip to create stunning animation videos. Okay, a link to that will also be displayed. Now to the app that was used to create all this, including the table, everything. The name of the app is well known to my Patreon members and to my students. In order for you to know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box of this video where you can join my professional class to learn more about it, and I can show you are 100% making use of your mobile device to create such animation. Alright guys, I can't wait to see you. Click on the description box of this video, then get the link and shout me up. Bye for now. One love.